Today we're celebrating migratory birds because they are getting ready to fly back north. So we want to say goodbye, give them a send-off, and we also want to raise awareness of the fact that most of Guam's birds have been extirpated. So it's B3, bring back birds.
The opportunity to learn about birds here and then visit other islands in the region, to the north, to the south, to the west and east, to see our birds in their own natural habitat, so we get to learn a lot about birds in the whole region.